Well, let's get you a big making update. What we are getting to know after this, one of the biggest advertisements that was done on part of the lateral entries, which had become a contentious issue in the political circles. The DOPT minister has now written to the chairman UPSC on cancelling the lateral entry advertisement as per the directions, according to the letter which states has been given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is a big development that is now coming to light because UPSC in that advertisement was to recruit nearly 45 lateral entry positions in ministries. The policy in the process, Mohit, had also attracted a lot of criticism and questions. What is that the ministry has now decided to do its next step on the directions given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Mohit, we don't have that audio connected with you. Just trying to re-establish that line. But this is a big development that is now coming to light because it is important to note as far as the important issue of lateral entry into the government of India is concerned, where the UPSC issued an advertisement related to a number of lateral entry posts into various levels in the central government. What is that as far as the Prime Minister has now directed, Mohit?
Well, in fact, you see, when the announcement was made that there will be the ad came out from the UPSC that there are 45 posts and which will be inducted through lateral entry, and 10 of them being the joint secretaries and 35 of them would be the directors and deputy directors in various ministries. We saw that how the opposition parties attacked the government, basically saying that this is against the reservation system, and this lateral entry part does not have any reservation system, and the government is trying to snatch away the jobs of people from belonging from the SC, ST and the OBC community. So this was the campaign of the opposition parties, and in fact Rahul Gandhi also tweeted and he attacked the government, saying that lateral entry is a way to get RSS cadre into the high-ranking posts in the bureaucracy and hence to implement the agenda of the RSS and the BJP at the center. But we have seen that how earlier the government has been saying this, that the lateral entry has been going on for a long time. The chairman of the Planning Commission, vice chairman of the Planning Commission, Montek Singh Ahluwalia, was inducted as a lateral entry. Yesterday, Arjun Ram Meghwal, Union Minister, came out with a statement and said when in 1976 Manmohan Singh was made the Finance Secretary, it was part of the lateral entry. So clearly the government has been saying this, that the lateral entry is just being given just because you need certain expertise on certain ministries, and hence
this is an advertisement that was issued by the UPSC, the directions that has been given straight from the Prime Minister Sagarika, citing social justice and empowerment.
Take you through the letter, so do give me some time. It's a 2-page letter and it's important to put everything into context here, which the letter exactly does. So a letter written by Jitendra Singh to the UPSC chairperson, that is Preeti Sudan. I'm writing to you on the important issue of lateral entry into the government of India. Recently the UPSC issued an advertisement related to a number of lateral entry posts at various levels in the central government. It is well known that as a principle, lateral entry was endorsed by the Second Administrative Reforms Commission, which was constituted in the year 2005. Chaired by Shri Veerappa Moily. The recommendations of the 6th Pay Commission in 2013 were also in the same direction. However, both before and after, there have been many high-profile cases of lateral entrance under earlier governments. Posts as important as the secretary in various ministries, leadership of UIDAI, have been given to lateral entrance without following any process of reservations. Further, it is well known that members of the infamous National Advisory Council used to run a super bureaucracy that control the Prime Minister's office. While most of the major lateral entries before 2014 were made in an ad hoc manner, including cases of alleged favoritism, efforts of our government have been to make the process institutionally driven, transparent and open. Further, the Honorable Prime Minister is of the firm belief that the process of lateral entry must be aligned with the principles of equity and social justice enshrined in our constitution, particularly concerning the provisions of reservation. For the Honorable Prime Minister, reservation in public employment is a cornerstone of our social justice framework aimed at addressing historical injustices and promoting inclusivity. And the second part of the letter goes on to say that it is important that the constitutional mandate towards social justice is upheld so that deserving candidates from marginalized communities get their rightful representation in government services. Since these positions have been treated as specialized and designated as single cadre posts, there has been no provision for reservation in single cadre posts in these appointments. This aspect needs to be reviewed and reformed in the context of the Honorable Prime Minister's focus on ensuring social justice. Hence, I urge the UPSC to cancel the advertisement for lateral entry recruitment issued on 17th August 2024. So, one, putting into context how the entire concept of lateral entry came into being, also talking about the kind of lateral entry appointments that were made at an ad hoc basis by the UPA government, talking about how it was endorsed straight from the year 2005, and then putting the focus on what the Prime Minister's vision of social justice. This letter goes on to do that, Amita.
All right, Sagrika, thank you for that. Mohit also is with us, and so is Pragya joining us right now. Pragya, as far as now this latest step that has been taken on part of the Minister on directions of the Prime Minister, how do we understand this action now being taken back to urge the UPSC to drop the advertisement?
I would say that Prime Minister is of the view that there should be equality, social justice when it comes to any recruitment process, especially in public post, government post especially. And this is exactly what Prime Minister Jitendra Singh, who is also Minister of State for PMO, he has written to UPSC saying that Prime Minister is also of the same view, and that is why we need to cancel the lateral entry appointment advertisement. Not just that, remember there's a politics behind all of this. Rahul Gandhi has been making this an issue and saying that privatization of these jobs will ensure that there will be no reservation for people of SC, ST, OBC. This is the narrative that Congress has started ever since the lateral entry appointment advertisement had come. And this particular letter is in response to particularly that narrative of the opposition, saying that we also believe in social justice and we recognize that this single cadre post have no option of having provision of having reservation, and that is why this advertisement should be cancelled. They are not against lateral entries as such, mind you, but how it should come is, the process of it needs to be undertaken and, analyzed. But the point here is about the politics regarding reservation. Remember, recently in Lok Sabha election, BJP has, faced sort of drubbing in Uttar Pradesh owing to the narrative of the opposition parties saying that SC, ST, OBCs, if they come back, they will do away with the reservation. While BJP says that this was a misinformation, disinformation campaign, they could not counter
is it on the lines as far as what the opposition was stating in their criticism, saying that it is affiliated when it comes to certain organizations and it is all about social justice and empowerment? Now we are getting to know that the appeal has now been made to the UPSC by the government on the directions of the Prime Minister to cancel the advertisement. Well, let's get you a making update what we are getting to know after this one of the biggest advertisements that was done on part of the lateral entries, which had become a contentious issue. In the political circles, the DOPT minister has now written to the chairman UPSC on cancelling the lateral entry advertisement as per the directions, according to the letter which states has been given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is a big development that is now coming to light because UPSC in that advertisement was to recruit nearly 45 lateral entry positions in ministry.